Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting geometry problem, pair of non-coinciding points. So let's move on to the problem. So guys, in this problem we are given n and and a vector of size n x and a other vector of size n called y. Okay, and here xi and yi will be a point. So we are given total n point, and the ith x coordinate is given by ith index of our x array, and ith y coordinate is represented by ith index of our y array. So guys, what we have to find out here, we have to find out a total number of pair of point A and B such that point A and B do not coincide. Means point A and B should not be equal, at least one coordinate, x coordinate or whether y coordinate should be different. Okay, they cannot be same. And the second point is Manhattan distance and the Euclidean distance between the point should be equal. Now guys, what is Manhattan distance? It is x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1, and Euclidean distance is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square under the whole root. Okay, so guys, what we are given? So we are given this. Suppose a is equal to x2 minus, I'll just use some other color so it will be more clear. Yeah. So I am supposing x2 minus x1 mod as A and y2 minus y1 mod as B. So guys, what we are given, this is our Manhattan distance, this is our Euclidean distance. So we are given x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 is equal to, this is our Manhattan distance, and these two are equal, and our Euclidean distance is a square, means this is square plus b square. B square is this. Now why I am taking this mod square? Because normal number of mod square are simple. Like if my a is equal to 3, then a square can be 3 square or mod 3 square. Both will gives me 9. So as here mod 3 will be is equal to 3. So it is just 3 square. Here a is equal to minus 3, then a square is equal to minus 3 square, or mod 3 square, mod minus 3, then it will 3 square. As mod minus 3 will gives me 3. Mod will remove the minus sign, and it will also give me the 9 answer. Okay. So here in square we can take mod or we can remove mod. In both cases I will go to the same answer. So that's why here I am taking mod and I am taking the same value in my Euclidean distance as well. So according to my question, this should be equal. This is my second point. So how we will do it? We will square it. Then square it, a plus b square, then it will become a plus b square. Then the formula of a plus b square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and if I square it both, then under root will cut out and it is a square plus b square. Then I get simply cut out a square plus b square to a square plus b square. Then I got this 2ab. Okay, this is simple mathematics here. So from this I got two conditions: either my a can be 0 or either my b can be 0. So these are the two conditions, or my AB can be 0, or my A and B, A is equal to 0 and my B is equal to 0. It can be possible that both of them are 0. Okay, but guys, now think, if only my A is equal to 0 and B is not is equal to 0, it means my x coordinate, this is same. S means same, D means different. D means difference, means my x coordinate is same. That's why A is 0. What is A0 means? A0 means my x2 minus x1 is equal to 0, and I can also say my x2 is equal to x1. So my x coordinate are same and my y coordinate are different. For b is equal to 0, similarly for b is equal to 0, here x will represent y, here x will change by y, and x2 became y2, x1 became y1. This is y1. So is equal to 0, and we can get y2 is equal to y1. So here same are y are same, x are different. So in these both cases, y, here y is different, here x is different. And now here a is equal to 0. A is equal to 0 means my x is equal to same, b is equal to, and means if both of them are 0. B is equal to 0 means my y is also same. Now in different, I don't have any different coordinate. Okay, so it is null. So guys, these three condition I am getting by solving the equation. But according to point number one, I my point cannot be constant, means at least one coordinate x or y should be different. So here my y is different, here my x is different, but here both of my same. So what I need to include in my answer all the cases whose x are same, plus plus all the coordinate whose y are same, minus all coordinate whose x and y are same. Like for example, suppose if I have a point 1 3 1 3 1 4 and suppose 1 4. Suppose if these are my point, then total number of pair I can have is this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So pair can be is equal to 0 and 1. 0 and 1 can be one pair. Now 0 and 2 can be one pair, because here we just need to do the operation with the index. But can be my 1 and 2 be the point? No. Why? Here Manhattan distance is equal to Euclidean distance in these 2 points, but here point are same. Point are same means my a is equal to 0 as well as b is equal to 0. So I will exclude this 1 and 2. I will exclude this 1 and 2. So I will got only two answer 0 1 0 2. I can check out it. I can check it out also. So I have 3.13 1 and again 4. So I should go answer as 2. I should go 2 answer. I'm going to answer as 0. Just a minute. So guys, here you can see answer as 2. Why answer is 0 coming? Because I am giving point as 1 3 1 4 and 1 4. But now what happens? But I have to give point as 1 1 1. First of all x coordinate, then all y coordinate. So as I change the format, I got answer as 2. You can see I just change the format as all x coordinate, all y coordinate, then I will get answer as 2. Means 0 and 1 means this 0 and 1 and this 0 and 2 will form two pairs. Okay. As well, these have both Manhattan and Euclidean distance same, but we will exclude it because these points are coincide. Okay, so this is what I want to say. So now let's move on to the code. So guys, I am taken an order map to store the count of same x as and y coordinate till now. So here h will store my x coordinate. H means horizontal. H means horizontal means x. Axis. V means vertical means my y axis. Okay. And I am taken other map. I am taken map because another map don't support pair type. Pair int comma int, and I name it as pair means p. In short form, I name it as p. And I take a variable answer is equal to 0. Then one by one I will take out for all the coins, for all the coordinates. Sorry. So like this. So this is the main functioning I am doing. So okay guys. So this is my code. So this is my code, whole code, logic code, and this is my x vector. This is my y vector. Okay. This is my first point, this is my second, this is my third. So I am currently at this 0th index. So at 0th index my answer is equal to 0. Answer is equal to I should write my answer as yeah. So answer is equal to 0 initially. Now my answer will be is equal to, answer should be equal to h of xi means h of 1, that is 0 initially, because in my h, suppose it is my h and it is my v. So here my h is 0 yet and my v is 3. V is 0 also. V is 0, and suppose this is my p. P 1 comma 3 is 0 as well. 1 comma 3 is 0 as well. Okay. So here 0 plus vy 0. Now I will increment these both. uh, I will increment. So what happens, I should also write this. So it will become 1 it will become 1. Then now I will subtract 2 into p of xi, it is 0, so I will subtract 0, so it will remain 0. Then I will increase p 1 comma 3, that it will become 1. Now you guys are thinking why I am decreasing it 2 times. I will explain, just see according to the code. Now we are at this index. Now what is my answer? Answer plus is equal to, or we can say answer is equal to answer plus. So initially answer is 0, so answer plus, now hxi, now h of 1 is 1, so plus 1. Now this is this answer, initially answer. Okay, this is my updated answer, this will be my updated answer. So here now, what is my vi 4, it is 0. I will increment, this became 4, and this became 2, and here one more come, 4 comma 1. Now here one more point come, 1 comma 4, it is yet 0. So 2 into this is 0, 1 comma 4 is 0, so it will, I will just decrease 0, so my answer is equal to 1. So now my 1 comma 4 is equal to 1. So now I can erase this first state. Okay, now so that I will have some more memory. Now I am at this last index. So you can see in my this particular array, means in first two index, my answer is equal to 1, and you can see I have only one pair. Okay, 0 and 1 will form a one pair which have equal Manhattan and Euclidean distance but not have same coordinate. So now I just increase some thickness. Yeah, now it is okay. So now my answer will be answer plus is equal to, or I can write is as answer, this answer, that is 1 plus h of xi. Now what is h of xi? It is 2 plus v of yi. Now what is v of yi? It is 1 1. Now I can increase it, so it will increase to 3, it will increase to 2, it will increase to 2. Then I will subtract minus 2 into 2 into, here I don't multiply with 2 because it is 0, so 2 into 0 is equal to 0 as well. So 2 into p of 1 comma 4. Now 1 comma 4 p, and in above move we will increase it by 1. For this, after in the last equation in index 1, I will increment this as 1. Okay, so now this is 1, so 2 into 1. Now what is this? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So we will got 2 as answer. So you can see I am doing both of the operations, all the operation, I will get 2 as my answer. Now I will increment this one as 2, this one as 2. Okay, now why I am multiplying this as 2? I am multiplying this as 2 because it is saying my x and same and my y is also same. Okay, my x coordinate is same, my y is also same, and you know I cannot include the coordinate who have both the coordinate equal. So, and you know this is my, all the value have x coordinate same, have all the value that have my y coordinate same. So here all the values who have this x coordinate I add in this, so I will subtract this, all the coordinate who have y value is equal to will add in this. Okay, so I am decreasing it by 2, I am decreasing it by 2, decreasing it by 2, one because of this, one because of this. Okay, that's why I am multiplying it by 2, because my x and as well as y coordinates same, and I am adding my same x coordinate count, my same y coordinate count, and I don't need to count who have both of them equal. So one time I will subtract for x coordinate, other time I will subtract for my y coordinate. That's why I am multiplying it by 2. Means all the coordinate who have x and y coordinate same, I am adding these coordinate in my x as well in my 2. So I will decrease it twice, so that all the counter from this and this, they will decrease down. So here it is 2, like now for this case it is 2, for one this and for one this, for y it is 1 for this. Okay, so and I have one coordinate. I have one coordinate. I have one coordinate till this round, till this index who have same. So one coordinate. Okay. So I will decrement this as well. This. So I will go 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 4, and I will decrement 2 it. So I will got 2 as my answer. Okay. You just need to dry run it. If you once dry run, then you will absolutely got it, because this is a mathematical problem. So I am now submitting it. So guys, you can see all the 62 test cases pass out. So I hope you all understand this. If you still have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Meanwhile, you can subscribe the channel, like the video, and check out my channel for more these type of videos, and stay tuned for further videos. Thank you guys.